The Little Duckling. Once upon a time there was a duck. Her name was Lola. She had 6 little ducklings. Mama Lola lived with her ducklings near a pond. One day she told the ducklings to swim in the pond.
Quack, quack, quack. Follow me. We will go for a swim,
said Mama Lola. The 6 little ducklings stood in a line. They walked one after the other. Mama Lola stepped into the pond. The little ducklings followed her. Finn, Bob, Ted, Penny, Lily. But where was Lulu? She was still at the edge of the pond. She did not want to get into the pond.
Come, my duckling, come,
cried Mama Lola.
Come, Lulu, come,
called Finn, Bob, Ted, Penny, and Lily together. But Lulu would not go. She was afraid. Mama Lola swam away with the 5 little ducklings. Then Lulu thought and thought and thought.
I must be brave. I must listen to Mama,
she said to herself. Mama Lola came up to her again and said,
Come, my baby, come.
The 5 little ducklings quacked for her. Lulu heard Mama call her. She heard the ducklings quack for her. Lulu was not afraid anymore. She stepped into the pond. She swam with Mama Lola and her brothers and sisters.